This Christmas, you should try this giant skillet cookie stuffed with Nutella, or as I like to call it, a Nutella cookie pie. It is super easy to make and so deliciously gooey. To make this giant skillet cookie, scoop 220 grams or 3/4 cup of Nutella into an 8-inch round tray lined with plastic wrap and spread it evenly. If the Nutella feels too thick, warm it for 15 to 20 seconds in the microwave or place the jar in hot water to soften it. Then, place the tray in the freezer for 30 minutes. Next, in a large bowl, mix together 110 grams or 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 50 grams or 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 50 grams or 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and give it a good mix. Then, add 1 egg and give it another good mix till well combined. Now, gradually mix in 160 grams or 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Stir well until the flour is fully incorporated. Once the dough is coming together, add the remaining flour and 55 grams or 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, mixing until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, take an 8-inch skillet or round baking tray that is greased with butter and scoop half of the cookie dough into it. Spread the dough evenly across the bottom and up the sides of the tray, as you can see me doing here. Then, take the frozen Nutella and place it carefully in the center of the dough, pressing it down slightly to make sure it stays in place. Then, scoop the remaining cookie dough and spread it over the frozen Nutella, covering it completely. Make sure the Nutella is fully sealed in the dough. Bake the giant cookie in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Once the cookie has cooled, you can decorate it with any frosting you like, such as cream cheese frosting or buttercream frosting, whether homemade or store-bought. Feel free to add extra toppings like sprinkles or colorful chocolate candies in the center for a fun touch. If you love this gooey giant Christmas cookie, you would definitely want to try these irresistible soft gingerbread cookies here. They are packed with warm spices and the perfect texture. Check it out now.